Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to create a notification system like this one, where you can change the text of the notification, the color of the notification, and the duration of the notification. Okay, so we're all done with creating the GUI. Now we'll just call this notification. Then we will create a module. I already made a folder. We will call this notification system. Notification system. We will call the module notification system, and we will create a meta table. We'll use meta tables. Object-oriented programming. Like I said last video, I will maybe make a tutorial on meta tables if you all want that. So tell me if you want that. First I'll create the services again. Game get service, tween service, local run service is game get service, run service. There we go. Then we will put this notification inside the notification system. We will call this local notification templates is script.notification. After that we will grab the local player is game.players.localplayer. Then we will repeat a loop until the GUI is there. Repeat until local player player GUI find first child notifications. Why we do find first child is because if it can't find it, it won't error. So this will keep running until it actually finds it. If we put dot inside of here, then it won't work. Or yeah, well, if I put this dot notifications, if it tries to find it and it can't find it, it will error. So that's why we use find first child. And then after it's found it, the loop will stop, and then we will put this notification GUI to this. We don't even need find first child in here, but I'm just keeping that because I already wrote it. Then we will put, we will make a object. We'll call this create. Local self is set meta table. We create a new object inside of the notification system, so it's an empty table basically. Then we put data. Self.notification is notification it already does it for me. Notification template clone, and we put the GUI, or we put the UI inside of the actually we need to put this. We will call this notification frame. Notification frame. Is notification GUI dot notification frame. There we go. After that, I think we will create a type notification data, and this will be we will use this as a type inside of here. So what our notification needs is text, which is a string. We will use color, which is a color 3, and then we will create duration, which is a number value. There we go. We'll put notification data, which is of type notification data. After that, we will put the what's it called? The variables. We will extract that from this. So self.notification duration is notification data dot duration. As you see, it auto completes it. Or if we don't give a duration with it, we will set it to a standard amount, but we will make a settings for that. Local settings is this standard notification duration is 4 seconds. Yeah, sure. Settings dot standard notification duration. Self.text is notification data dot text, or we will put a no text was sent. So this will automatically fill this in if you don't put text in. Now we'll do self.color is color3, or no, actually notification data dot color, or we will put a standard color that will be white. There we go. After that, we will put self.notification.textcolor3. So we put the color of the notification in here. So the text will be that color to the self.color. Then we will create a UI scale inside, which will be used for tweening it. So or is instance.new UI scale. You can do this to parent it, so you put it to self.notification. So now the UI scale gets created inside of the notification. Then we will put the scale to, we'll put a standard UI scale. Okay, so it will go to 0.7 the original size. Dot UI scale equals settings dot standard UI scale. So now we need to do dot scale. Now the UI scale will automatically be set to 0.7. I'll show you what a UI scale does. If we put it inside of here, so we put the UI scale to 0.5. See, it's smaller now, so we can put it up, and it keeps getting bigger. So put to 0.7, and we're gonna tween it to 1. So it actually like scales up, you know what I mean? So yeah, we have that. And then we will return self. After that, we will create a new function. Function notification system, tween UI scale. We will put the size that we want to tween it to, which is a number value. Then we will put the time of the tween, how fast, to a number value. Then local tween is tween service creates. Then we will put whatever you want to tween, so self.UI scale. Yes, underneath we'll put tween info dot new. We'll put the time of the tween, time, or 1 if you are not at 0.5 if you haven't, not 0.2 actually. So if you haven't put a time in if you haven't put a time here, it will automatically do 0.2 seconds of tween time. Then we'll put a easing style, which will be exponential. After that, we will put the tween data. So we will put the scale of the UI scale to size or 1. So if we haven't sent size, it will just go to 1. Then we'll return the tween. There we go. Now we will put function notification system set time until removal. What we will do is put a task.delay. What this does is it waits a specific amount of time before running the function. So we will do self.notification duration. After that, we will create a function that will run after this time has passed. Then we will do local tween is self tween UI scale. We'll put it to 0 because we're removing it. Then we will put the time to 0.1. Then if we complete the tween, self.completed connect function. There we go. We could do that, or we could do I'll just make a new function if you ever want to expand the system. Self.remove. So self.notification destroy. Self remove, and we will play the tween. There we go. I think that should be about it. So we just set the set time until removal, self set time until removal, and we will play a tween. Self tween UI scale, we'll put it to 1 and then 0.1 in 0.1 seconds. We could put this to 0.2. Will look a little bit nicer, and I think that is it for the system. Yeah, that should be it. Now what we can do is put a new script inside of the starter player scripts. In this case, let's say, okay, let's require our module. Local notification system is require game get service replicated storage dot xplice notification system dot notification system. Now when we grab this, we can call functions. I'll show you. Notification system dot create. So we put a table because that is what we put here. This notifications data. So in notification data we have these things. Text is a string, so we put text is. This is a test. We put local notification is this. Then we'll put color is color 3 from RGB. We'll just put a random color. There we go. The duration of our notification will be 5 seconds. So now user input let me just get user input server. Should it go user input service is game get service user input service dot input bn. We can do once or connect function. We will create a notification after we put, wait, let me just check inputs. If input dot key code equals enum dot key code dot, let's say we press X on our keyboard, then it will create a notification in our notification. Oh, I'll just put this inside of the script or inside of here as data. This is how you call it, and this is how you this is what you should put on top of the script so you can require the system. And this is the final result. I think it looks pretty nice. We can change the settings if we want inside of here. Let's say we put the color to green. Let me see. Now if we put it to green, it has to load the UI. There we go. If we put it to green, now it's green. We can even put random colors. Math dot random. Let's do 1,360. And we'll put that in every single one. So we get a random color. Oh, it should be 255. I'm being dumb. Thinking it's degrees. There we go. Now it will create a random color for each UI. Just to remind you, it loads first. You see, now it creates a random color. And yeah, you can change the text in here. You can do whatever you want with it. You can change the duration. You can change the settings up here. If you want to use it, put this at the top of the script, and then use this as wherever you want to create a notification in that script. Yeah, that is it for the video. I will put the model and the link in the bio. If you enjoyed, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want to see more. If you want, put requests in the comments and I will code it for you. I'll make a video on whatever you want. So yeah, thank you for watching and enjoy.